I'm Nate with Sashco, and today I want to talk to you about Mor-Flexx. Mor-Flexx is a mortar and stucco repair product. Now you can also use this for new builds, when you've got let's say a mortar to siding joint, it's great for that. But also for repair, it's a game changer. So traditionally when you're doing mortar and stucco repair, you're mixing up a batch of powder, right? You're dealing with buckets and trowels and getting it all over yourself. Forget all that. Let's say you're doing a chimney. You just run this up on the roof instead of lugging a pail. You put it in the joint, and it's actually going to be super flexible. So a traditional mortar patch is going to be rigid, and that's a problem, right? It cracked because things are moving. If you patch that with something rigid, it's going to crack again. Mor-Flexx is going to outlast that patch. Comes in 5 colors, and if you want to learn more about Mor-Flexx, go to Sashco.com.